Hello there, welcome back to the video. In this video, we will be seeing how to create dynamic insights in Power BI. As you can see here, I've created a dynamic insight based on this visual of subcategory wise profit. So the text here reads, telephone and communication are the most profitable subcategory, whereas tables are the least profitable subcategory. As you can see in the visual, we are having the most profitable as telephones and communication, and here least category, least profitable as tables.
Even if I am selecting a particular product category, let's say I'm selecting furniture over here, then the values which are there in this field also changes based on the selection. So here now we are getting chair and chair mats are the most profitable subcategory, whereas tables as the least profitable one. So let's try some other thing. Let's select a particular region. Let's say south. Here also appliance is the most profitable and tables is the least. So for West region, we can see telephones and communication is the most profitable, whereas office machines are the least. So in this way, we can create this visual, and let's get started with the video. So I will go to a new page over here, and I will just remove this visual from here. We will add now a visual over here. We'll go to insert, and in shapes, let's go with this shape, and I will add it at the bottom left corner over here. Let's adjust the size of this. Now we are having the visual. I want to insert the text. In order to insert the text, I've already created both the measures for the least and the most profitable product. So this measure gives the value for the most profitable subcategory, and this measure gives the value for the least profitable one. And now I will have to create another measure which I will be displaying in this shape. So let's go here and let's create the new measure. I will name this measure as dynamic value. Let's increase the font size. And I will first name the measure, which is the most profitable one. We'll put ampersand sign, and I will have text are the most profitable subcategory, whereas again ampersand, the other measure least subcategory. So our measure is ready. Let's hit enter over here. And for this visual, for this shape, I will add the measure in the text. I'm going to go to style, put the background color as white, and for text, I will not add some text. Literally, I will just add a function for that, and in that function, I will add the dynamic value. I will hit on OK, and the value has been added. I will have to change the font color to black. So now we can see that the text has been added to the shape. But the disadvantage over here is that I cannot highlight the measures which I have added here. So for example, I want to highlight telephones and communication and tables, but adding specific text is not possible here. So in order to resolve this issue, we will have to use a text box only. So I will remove this one and I will add a text box over here. Let's adjust the size. Okay. So I will give the text chairs are the most profitable subcategory, whereas tables are 10 least profitable subcategory. Now here there is a new feature over here at the bottom of values, and in the value we can add the measures whatever we want for that text. So here for example I want to replace chairs, and I will add the most expensive subcategory. Most profitable subcategory has been added over here, and I can save it. Similarly for tables also I will remove it, and I will add the measure over here, least profitable subcategory, and I will click on save. So I've got the text. Now I will just increase the font size to 11, and now I want to highlight these two. I will just select the words and click on bold. Here also I will select it and bold it. So it has also gone highlighted. Let me do some formatting over here. Copy the formatting and I will just paste it over here. Let me adjust it. So the length has been adjusted now. Let's see if it's working or not. For furniture, it's changing. Office supplies, it is changing, and technology also it is changing. Let's clear this filter and add some region filter. So it is changing based on the source. So in this way, we can add this dynamic insights based on any visual. So the basic requirement for this is that whatever value you want to calculate, you have to already have a measure calculated for that value. Like in this case, I'm having the most profitable subcategory and the least profitable subcategory. I'm using these two measures in this text column. So in that way, you can use as many measures and as many values which you want to display in the insights in the text box. I hope you have understood how to create this dynamic insights in Power BI. Thank you very much for watching.